In this video, we're going to talk about how to reset a Frigidaire refrigerator. So this can help if your fridge is beeping, showing an error code, or if you've just replaced a filter and need to reset the indicator. So first thing you'll need to do is unplug the fridge from the wall outlet for about 5 minutes. So this clears the control board memory. Plug it back in and see if the issue is resolved. The second one is if your model has a digital display, press and hold the power freeze and power cool buttons together for about 10 seconds or until you hear a chime. On some models, you'll need to press and hold the alarm reset or options plus filter reset buttons instead. Now, for the other options, if you've just replaced the water filter and the red light is still on, press and hold the filter reset button for 3 seconds until the light turns green. If your fridge is still showing a code, look it up in your owner's manual. Sometimes the reset won't clear the issue if there's a bigger problem, like a sensor failure. Now, take note of this. If your refrigerator doesn't respond to these steps, try unplugging it overnight. And if the issue keeps coming back, you may need a service on the control board or sensors. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.